lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. Mine is doing well. If you read from my title, I always say description, and I mean to say title. I have, can you see it? I guess it doesn't have it on here. The Gerard Cosmetics mystery boxes. So let me tell you a little bit about this company. But before I begin, I almost forgot, I do have a couple giveaways going on right now. So make sure that you are subscribed. Turn that bell on so you can get all my notifications when I do upload a video and my future giveaways, because I do have a couple that will be in this month as well. So make sure that you have that bell on, and also like this video because it really does help me out. So let me tell you about a little bit about this company. I am an affiliate with this company. So what that means is I do have a code for you guys that if you use it, you get 30% off, and I do make a little commission off of it. Now, I have tried a lot of their products. Not all of them I like, but most of them I do. My favorite things in this company is the Slay All Day sprays. I mean, this is just about empty. I go through these little things like nobody's business. And like I said, if you use my code, you get 30% off. I am on the watermelon one right now. Oh, watermelon. I like this, and I like the makeup remover. They're my favorites, but I like their lipsticks. The only thing I don't care for is the metallic lipsticks, and that's because I'm not a metallic type of girl. But I do like their makeup and stuff. But what Jen, the owner, was doing this month, since it is June Pride Month, right here, that is hence the colorful makeup, the green eyeshadow. And what she did was make mystery boxes. So these mystery boxes are $40 a piece. Now, you can't use my code for the mystery boxes, but you can use it for anything else. And what it is for Pride Month, and some of the funds go to charities, so which is good. A portion of their proceeds will go to that. I believe it's the Trevor Project. If I'm wrong, I will leave it down below right here, which I love. So they had 3 different mystery boxes. You could have got the nude one, the rainbow one, or the red/pink one. I got all 3. I did purchase this myself. And to show you guys what they look like, you can get it until the end of June, the last day of the month, and it's for a great cause. You know, one thing I want to say is not everybody may not be okay with the LGBT, how do you say it? I always say it wrong, LGBTQ, I'll leave it right here, LGBTQ. I know it, but I always say it wrong. And not everybody might believe in it. But I can tell you, we can all agree that, you know, nobody should be hated on for it. Nobody should be hurt for it. Let me tell you a story. So my husband has an uncle that back in the 80s, he was trans, and back then that was unheard of. And he was literally beaten to death and left there to die, all because he was trans. And that's just horrible to be killed because that's a hate crime, you know. And my mother-in-law always taught me that what you eat doesn't make me shit. Do you know what I mean? So what you do doesn't affect me. And I don't understand the discrimination. If you don't agree with it, fine, then don't do it. You know, my husband is black, and a lot of people don't believe in interracial, you know, they were like, oh, I would never do that. My kids are biracial, and I get discriminated because of that. And it's like, me sleeping with my husband has nothing to do with you in your bedroom. Do you know what I mean? So I love the fact that she is celebrating this, and also, like I said, some of the proceeds go to a good cause, you know? Like I said, if you don't agree with it, let's agree that you shouldn't be hurt because of what you do. All right, so that's enough of my tyrant. Let's get started. I believe, let's see with this one, because there's one in here, and then 2 in here. So I don't know which is what. All right, let me get my little knifey knife so I can open it up. Let me cut the tape. All right. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. All right, this one is What You Be. This is the nude box. All right, so this is what it looks like. And then on the back, I will definitely read you what it says. It says, in honor of Pride Month, we are including this card as a reminder that love and acceptance are always beautiful. All month long, a portion of the proceeds from our limited edition Pride boxes will go to support LGBTQ charities. Tune in to our IGTV to hear a personal story each day from a member of our GC family sharing their experiences. Our hope is by increasing awareness about issues those in the LGBTQ community face, we can spread a broader message of love and kindness. Let's spread some GC love. I need to get some glasses. All right, so that's beautiful, and there we go. All right, so let's open her up and let's see what is in here. So there we go. So everything in here will be like more of the nude theme. All right, so this is their setting spray. This is in lemongrass. Now I have this one. This is the size. It is a full size. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway since I already have this one, and I like this one too. All right, then we have hydrating facial mist right there. All right, so that's what that looks like right there. I don't think I've tried this yet, so I don't know how this works. What does it say? So spray before or after your makeup application to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Fantastic for parched or dull complexion. Keep the skin dewy while keeping your makeup. Okay, so if you are very oily, I would definitely not recommend this product, but that is definitely exciting. Let me spray it. Oh, that smells good. It's like a honeycomb smell. Mystified. All right, so I'm definitely excited to try that. All right, so then we have, this must be their lip liners. Their lip liners are so creamy. So this is in the shade Nude. All right, so that's what it looks like. Like that. Well, that's pretty. They're so creamy. I really like these. All right, and then we have, this is Wild Berry Tart. Oh, I've been dropping stuff all day. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's give that a swatch. Oh, that is so pretty. And these lipsticks they're not dry at all. Like, they're really not. All right, and then we have, this is an Adam and Eve. All right, there. That's pretty too. That's real pretty. Right there. All right, two more things in there. All right, so this must be a bullet lipstick in the shade Underground. They also have these shirts for sale as well. I believe they start from small all the way to 3X. All right, so these are the bullet lipsticks. Oh, that's pretty too. That's really pretty. Yep. And last but not least, this is another one in Dream Weaver. Right there. That's really pretty too. I'm trying to get it. This is metallic. If I knew this was metallic, I wouldn't have swatched it. I would have gave it away. But that's pretty. Now, I would wear that. All right, so that's everything in the nude box. All right, so you get quite a lot of stuff. And, you know, you might say $40, but like I said, it goes to a good cause, you know? All right, so let's open this puppy up. All right, there are both boxes in there, and these are 2 t-shirts that I will have for a giveaway. So this is what, if you can't see what I am wearing, this is what it looks like right here. All right, so I have one in an extra large and one in a large. Let me put that right there. so here are the 2 boxes. And then the cards here say the same thing. All right, so let's open up Gerard Cosmetics. All right, so I don't know. I don't see what, it doesn't say what this one is. So let's open her up and I'll see if it's the rainbow one or the, what do you call it? The red slash pinks. All right, so this is the Hydra Matte in Summer Lovin'. Yes. Okay, so this has to be, I don't know, it could be the rainbow one. So there we go. That's a little bright. You know what? I'm going to put that right back in the box because I know I won't wear that. And I'd rather give to one of you guys. So we have another setting spray in Rose. So this is the mini size. So you have a full and a mini. This right here is the mini size right there. So this is in Rose. I will put that in a giveaway as well. So then we have right here, this is in Wonderland. I'm trying not to rip the lid just in case I don't want it. All right, so this is the rainbow one. Okay, so here we have like a purple one. Again, this is not a color I would wear, so I'm going to put this up. So I might have a giveaway in this video. All right, so then this is in Maytag right there. This looks like a bullet lipstick. So this is definitely the rainbow one. Let's see. That's like an orangey color, orangey red. All right, so that'll go in a giveaway. I like more of the reds that are blue, have more blue tone. But I wanted to get all 3 to also donate as well to help with the cause and also to show you guys so you know which one to get. All right, and then we have a lip pencil in Night Shift right there. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let's swatch that because I love their lip. This is like a dark purplish burgundy-like color. I definitely keep this. I mean, her lip products are so good. All right, and last but not least, in this, what you be? This is Star Powder and Dorothy. Okay, so this is a highlighter. All right, let's see the shade. This will go in a giveaway as well because I have so much highlighters. All right, let's open her up. So there we go. I am trying very carefully not to rip these boxes. So anything I won't use, we're going to have a giveaway in this box. All right, so that's what it looks like. Is this a highlighter or a bronzer? I believe this is a, I'm not sure. It might be a highlighter, but there we go. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway right here. All right, so I'm going to put everything right here so far that's going in a giveaway. So I might have to get a bigger box to put that in. All right, so far we have a box filled of stuff that's going in a giveaway. So this must be the reds and the pinks. All right, so then we have that right there. All right, another setting spray in grape, which I will keep this one because I haven't tried the grape one yet. Right? Yeah. No, no, this might be a highlighting. Hold on, that's not. I lied. All right, so this is a facial cream. Okay, so I'm definitely going to keep this to try. I have not tried that yet. Now, this is a setting spray in Watermelon. That's the one I'm using that I really like. So we'll put that in a giveaway. So some lucky person will get a lot of stuff. All right, so this is a lip crown in, a lip pencil in Immortal. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's like a red color. That is gorgeous. Okay. So then we have a lip cream in the shade Electric Rose. Okay, so I'll put that in a giveaway. I have a few shades that are like that. more things. So we have, okay, so this is metallic matte and cherry bomb. So I'll show you what it looks like, but I don't usually go for metallics. Well, that's pretty right there. Okay, and last but not least, this is a liquid lipstick in Honeymoon. Oh, that's pretty. Now this is only because it's separated, because it's been sitting for a while. If you shake it up, it will be fine. It is fine. All right, so let me show you what you will be getting. And the giveaway, if you had stayed to the end, all this will be going to you and a shirt. So I have large and extra large. So let me know if you get to pick. Whoever wins will get the large or the extra large. I don't have any other sizes, so I do apologize for that. So you will get one shirt, and all this stuff right here will be in the giveaway. All right, so let's see what the date is today. Let me look on the calendar and see. Today is the 16th. So I'm going to keep this open until, let's do one, I don't know when this will go up. So I'll have this until the 30th, the last day of the month. Now I know you won't get it till after June. I do apologize. But I want to give you at least a week to look at this video because I know not everybody goes on YouTube. So it will end on June 30th, and then I will pick the winner the very next day. And like I said, you get to pick a shirt, and you will get all of this. I will definitely put it in a bigger box. So let me know what you think. I think this is great. Jen, if you are watching, I am so happy for you. I am so glad that you're doing something like this and bringing awareness out, because the hate has to stop. All right, so that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below how your day was. What did you think of these mystery boxes? Do you like them? They're definitely worth the $40, because I will, like I said, what I probably was doing was leaving the prices. I will leave at the end of each one. Well, you probably already know by then how much each box came to, but because some of the money is going to charities, I definitely think it is worth it. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out. Make sure that you are subscribed to get on any future giveaways and this giveaway right here. And leave a comment. I will do a comment picker, so you can leave anything that you want. You can enter multiple times. So that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.